place. This big old wonderful looking lizard mobile.
Doctor. Dragon.
Looks like a lizard.
It's a dragon.
Alright, well the front wheel's missing already, so metal bar. Got some noise makers or something in there. We'll just have to find our way in there and see. Mm-hmm. Well, there's a screw, but it's tight. Terrible. Hopefully, let's see. I didn't check. Let me see. Oh yeah, you can see it all right. Well, I can see me, but you can see this. All that matters. Let's get this screw out of there. Nice big old long black screws. Another one. Another thing with a bunch of screws on it.
Where'd you find this, Papi?
That's a good question. Down the block. Not too far down the block. Somewhere down the block. Just want the screws out of it and the electronic stuff. Toys R Us. This is actually a toy from some movie.
Yeah, dragons.
I think it's
DreamWorks?
Yeah.
Yep.
I wasn't going to say their name, really.
Oops. Oh.
I was going to say Dreamscapes or something like
Dream.
Dream Weavers.
Exactly.
Won't you come and weave with me?
Dream. Travailleur. Oh well.
Okay, so there's that screw and there's that them 4 screws out, but nothing moved. Here's one here. Uh-huh. One here. I like them screws. Maybe there's not one then. Okay, let's just keep taking screws out. Eventually, we'll have them all. Ah, now you can see in his guts. Oh, well, I stopped here. I'll just get this screw right here. Making itself visible. Oh, it has a nut on that side. I feel that. There's the nut.
Ouch. Sorry.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Come back over here to finish getting this one out. It was nearly out, but it don't want to come out. Yeah, couldn't resist that magnet. Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna get that one right there that I see. Holding the wires in place. And a little wire keeper on it. screw. Get the wire keeper, little wire keeper off there. Alright. Now let's look around for some more screws. See a brass insert. That. Let's see. Let's get this one right here. Still didn't do much of nothing. 3 little ones right here. Eventually something's bound to fall off of it if I get enough screws out of it. I would think. There's one. There's one. Should be a gearbox in there. Another one. Another one. Another one. Come on. One up off of there. Dang, that's about a bunch of them over there. I wouldn't think it'd take that many dang screws to hold this thing on, but somebody thought so. I guess those are screws. Can't really see. I'm blind. Way down in there. Tiny little screws. A really hard spot to reach too. Makes it hard way to see when it ain't pointed towards you, huh guys? Oh, come on. Why are you so aggravating? Aggravating screws. Can we get that one out at least? It's kind of cocky against the wheels. Can't get no traction on it. Drag on it. Aggravating place to get to. Aggravating way to try to hold it. Well, damn pain in the ass. I mean, pain in the buttocks. Hard to see that black screw down in there against the other black stuff. Dang it, I'm just having worse luck with screws tonight than ever. I can't believe everything is giving me such a hard time. And poor lighting is not helping. Almost off of there, alright. That one's out of there, daggone it. Ooh, that was a challenge. I don't understand why it's being so hard to get along with today. Well, that's that one too. One more. And it's in a bad spot. This was a cool little self-propelled car. But it somehow didn't last long. Must have been a heck of a kid that had this. What, Conan? Think I'm talking to myself too much, buddy? You might be right. What a aggravating thing. Such a hard place to get to. Can we bend it around where we can reach it better? Or should we just take the wheels off first, maybe? Maybe that would have made it much easier. I cannot believe it's always that way. The very last screw that you're trying to get out is always the one that refuses to cooperate. If I had somebody to hold it still for me, I might could get it out of there, but I don't have that luxury. Damn it. Huh?
You need someone to hold something still?
No, not really.
Oh, come on. You just made me feel...
There's more than one way to skin a cat.
Ah,
What?
I hate that saying.
Why? Have you ever skinned a cat?
No,
Well,
I can imagine that it would be less than fun.
probably about the same as skinning a rabbit. Probably didn't skin very many of them either, huh? Come on, stop being so aggravating. Well, I didn't make the sayings up. If I did, probably wouldn't have anything to do with skinning a cat, because I don't see the point.
Yeah.
Unless it's a big old
Wild
cat, yeah, that I can make a nice scarf or jacket
Yeah.
lunch out of. Okay, I'm good about had it now with this.
Hammer?
No,
Mm.
can't hammer this soft plastic. You just bounce off of it.
Yeah, I know. I just like to say that.
Okay,
I just like to say hammer.
okay. Not sure. Yeah, you're gonna give it up there sooner or later, ain't you? You won't have no choice. Cause I'll break it off. If the pliers would cooperate. Almost. Come on. You just don't want to make it easy for me, do you? I don't want to make an hour-long video, but it's just making it where I can't help it. I gotta get me some good side cutters. Well, get to my toolbox out there where I can get them out. That would be that. I wish I could get the hammer on it. Almost there. One more cut. There. Piece of crap. Alright. I'm gonna get it all over there. Look at that. All that work just for a couple of wings. And I can't even eat the dang tanks. Get the screw right out of it now. Come on. Now. I think I might have beat that in the heck. Now. Alright, get it off of there. Why did they use screws that are not fitting my screwdrivers?
So that you can't take it apart.
I'm gonna have to bring my toolbox inside.
At least it's a green Christmas. You don't have to deal with the snow
That's not true.
to get to your...
That's not true.
Oh.
It's snowing.
It is?
Yeah, just like it was a while ago when I told you that.
It's still snowing? Oh. I figured it would stop. I thought it would be like a brief snow.
You did, huh? Alright. Remember that you're on the camera, dummy. So, stop wasting your time. Or not your time, but everybody's time. Alright, that's loose, that's loose. What's going on, Conan? This piece here goes to the motor in there. And to this little controlled. And around to that. I think this one here might unplug. No, I don't want it, but it should have. Okay, there's the button there to that controller. I already took that piece apart. Why ain't it coming off of there? Oh, that's another one there. What, Conan? Why'd you get up over there, dude? You don't go over there. Well, that's right. That's that screw we took the nut off of. We never got it to push out of there. Coming out of there. Get out of there. You can come in this way. Where'd it go? There it is. Come on out of there. Stop giving me such a hard time. Every one of these toys gave me a hard time. The one that Santa goes on works only one day out the year. Nut on it. Stick it in there. Come back around and see. Alright, that one's there. Okay, a little bit of that rainwater. I think we got that steel rod out of it. Da-da-da. Straight over here in this steel bucket. And that's loose to there. And let's see, where's the screwdriver normal? There's a straight tip driver. See if I can do this without poking myself too awful hard. Poke it myself with the screwdriver. so uncooperative today. Normally, everything cooperates. That's that. That's odd. Just give it a hard time, I guess. Okay, move over there. Rip. Nah. Don't poke yourself in the with the screwdriver. More trouble than it's worth. Oh, his eyes lit up too, I see. That's what that is. Them wires going for. There, that piece out the way. Just all plastic. More plastic junk. Ugh. Oop. Good thing them fingers wasn't in front of that. Nice. Doggone it. Well, they didn't want that piece to come out of there. And you're like, we got no idea what you're talking about. We can't see nothing. Not letting us see nothing. Papi. Cannot believe how stuck all that pieces are in there. Okay, rip that piece around. That one in there, rip that around. Come on, rip it out of there. There you go. Now, let's see what happens. Watch them knuckles. That one down. Family, I think. That one too. Family. Oh no. There's more pieces around there. What? Having to get radical here now. Let's get physical. Alright, I got his head loose. He's got some kind of lights in there behind the eyes. Got the little clips there to get the pins out of. Or could I just keep him like this? We'll see. Looks like a frog. Alright, let's see. That one goes there. And comes around there. Get that one unplugged. That one unplugged. Let's see if we can get this one here unplugged. Huh? Can't get them all out of the hole at once. Come on. One at a time, I told you. And stay out when you get out. Dang it. What tarnation is this thing? Looks like a little tiny horn. The wire keeper screw off of there. Come on, guy. Thank you. Where'd you fall down? Get back in there. Little wire keeper. Why did he have to bring it around like that. Alrighty, now what? 2 little clips. There's one. There's one. Getting out of there. It looks like a little speaker. Thought it was a little horn. It's a tiny little speaker. Well, not so tiny. Alright, now, there's nothing more there. No more screws to rob. Nope, nope, nope. All we have left is the back end. There's the motor right there. It's attached to those wheels. Couldn't make it simple. No, we can't make it simple. If we make it simple, you can get it off too easy. Thank you. 1, 2 washers. And washer on the back. Our right wheel off. Okay, so you're gonna have a keeper right there. And one over there. How in the devil am I supposed to get? Oh, maybe that slides off. Yeah, there you go, dummy. And don't you know? Well, timber me, shimber me timbers. Cut the oven off because it's beeping and saying it's done. Alright, come on. There you go. That one was easier than the other side. Washers. Washers. Wheel. Either wheel can actually work with the gear. Let's pull that. Why it doesn't want to slip out of there. Come on, motor. Oh, I see. You gotta turn to the right spot. How the devil do you turn it to the right spot? It won't move. So that wheel axle is bent. I'm thinking it was maybe that's why it didn't last too long. Is that the person that was riding it was heavy enough to bend the bar. Maybe the parents thought they could ride it. So that's what destroyed the poor child's toy. Parents riding it. I don't know. Just making it up as I go along. But the only thing left in here is the motor. Oh, they have warning instructions wrote inside of it where you can't get to them. So all we have is the motor left. There must be a way. I guess we have to get this rod out of there. Ow! It wouldn't go out that way, but it'd come out this way. That's weird. There. Rod out. Motor out. Piece of junk that's left. Ah, washer fell out of it. Other than that, date code 2019. Wow, that didn't last long, did it? What is that piece of plastic? We got our two wheels, a rod that is less than perfect, the little motor, and this little gearbox. I guess for now I'll leave the little motor and gearbox together, put it in the motor bucket and see what may become out of it. And there's the wheels, and I don't think I'm going to keep the axle rod because I guess I could straighten it, but off it goes into the steel bucket. Well, a lot of work for just a tiny little bit of nothing. I don't even know if the motor actually works, but if it don't, it'll get scrapped. Alright guys, well that's gonna do it for Christmas. Toy taken apart. So, have fun, and see you in the next one. No tread left on that wheel. That must have been the pull. That was the pull-on wheel. Okay. Bye now. Have a good time.